Check out these adjustable, folding, quick-release sawhorses from Renegade Industrial. Built tough for professional use, these Trade Tools exclusive sawhorses are designed with strength, portability, and convenience in mind, providing a reliable work platform for cutting timber, supporting materials, or setting up a temporary workbench. Super easy to set up, a simple quick-release button to drop down the folding legs, press down to lock them in place, and away you go. It's really that simple. With a handle to easily transport around the worksite or off your ute, it doesn't get in the way when you're using the sawhorse either. With an adjustable opening for up to 45 by 95mm timber to turn two of these sawhorses into a large stable work platform, you also get these handy support pegs to hold up any sheets of material too. With a load capacity of 590 kilograms, the sawhorse comes complete with non-slip material on the top and the feet, with a groove running along the top to securely work on narrow and rounded objects. The steel frame with the durable finish makes it a strong and reliable sawhorse that won't buckle under demanding worksite conditions. Perfect for the worksite, home workshop, and more, these Trade Tools exclusive Renegade Industrial adjustable folding quick release sawhorses are strong, durable, and so reliable. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, or you can grab your own at your nearest Trade Tools store or online at tradetools.com.